How to get rid of skin rashes fast at home. The most irritating thing you can find is skin rashes all over your body. Some rashes could be seen but some cannot be seen. There could be various reasons of skin rashes, like skin is near extreme heat, virus and bacteria. You can get rid of rashes by easy and simple ways. Natural home remedies to get rid of skin rash. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is very effective in getting rid of skin rashes, as it has natural healing properties which gets rid of inflammation and reduce discomfort. Just extract aloe vera juice and rub gently on the affected area for a few minutes. Keep it for an hour and wash it with water. Olive oil. Olive oil can be very helpful in getting rid of the rashes between the legs, which is mainly caused during the hot summer days. Mix the olive oil with coconut oil and just apply on the affected skin for a few minutes until the skin becomes dry. It is very effective for rashes. Banana peel. Most of us eat banana and throw away its peel, but we are unaware that the banana peel is also very beneficial in reducing the rashes on our skin. Just keep the banana peel in the refrigerator to make it cool, and then apply this peel on the affected area for a few minutes 2 to 3 times a day. Neem leaves. Because of its medicinal properties, neem leaves can also be very effective in getting rid of the skin rashes fast in a few days. Just crush the neem leaves and make a paste of it and apply to the affected area. Keep it for an hour and then wash it.
If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.